Welcome to this holiday edition of Living in Style. I'm your host, Mary Chamberlain. Please join us for the next half hour as we show you some of the best products and services available today. With all the stresses of the Christmas season, who wants to worry about the extra effort needed to put up and take apart a Christmas tree? Wouldn't we all like the simplicity of a pre-lit tree that still looks real? LEDtrees.com has a specialized fiber optic tree for you.
At LEDtrees.com, you can find a wide range of safe, high-quality pre-lit LED trees at the lowest possible prices. All trees, wreaths, and garlands are handmade to look as realistic as a traditional Christmas pine. They are lit by a new LED light source that uses less electricity than strand lights, and because they use no fans, motors, or hot halogen lights, they are safe around children and pets. Lighting is offered in both white and multicolored. LEDtrees.com's Christmas trees can be assembled and taken down in only a matter of minutes. And all trees come with a free storage bag, so the holiday season can be spent enjoying time with family rather than wrestling with string lights and messy pine needles.